Alright folks, welcome back. Have another unboxing today. This one from Reunion Blues. They are our case sponsor for the Showcase Base project, and they have sent us one of their Voyager series gig bags for the Showcase Base. And this thing is nice. Get some quick first impressions of the bag here. Then we'll do a little more, like everything else we've done, we'll do a little more in depth as we progress. It's got a zipper back here, a nice set of backpack straps, has a couple of D-ring attachments on the sides of it, a nice sturdy handle on the back, we've got a nice zipper pouch on the front with inside zipper compartments and a couple of storage areas. Nice. Reunion Blues, welcome to the family. Nice logo on the front there. And this thing it's good and stiff and solid. Wow, this is nice. Has a couple of extra pads in here. A nice bridge pad. I like this too. It's got a nice neck rest with a strap to go over it. Oh yeah. Absolutely perfect. Absolutely perfect. Thanks again, Reunion Blues, for being one of the sponsors of the Panick Inc. Showcase Base project. We'll have some links to their website and their social media down in the comments, as well as the link to Panick Inc. Custom Shop, our Facebook page, and our merch shop. Be sure to go get t-shirts or stickers or hats or whatever you want from our merch shop. Really helps us out a lot. We'll get, like I said, a little more in depth on this as time goes on. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to the video. We'll catch you guys on the next one.